Hey guys, welcome to Haley's Homestead. I know y'all probably used to looking at me rough by now, but anyways, I woke up, jumped on the bus, came home. FedEx was in my driveway waiting on this. So I had messaged this company because I've heard about them and I've heard some good things about them. And just seeing if they would, for me to review their product. Now, I'm not paid to say anything, or I'm not paid to give this review or anything like that. So, I just got it in the mail, and I just couldn't wait to get ready because I wanted to open it. So, let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited because if you like to cook, especially if you're a southern style cook, you use a lot of bacon grease. I do. And so this is going to be freaking awesome. I've wondered about this for a long time. I'm like, I wish they'd sold just plain bacon grease instead of keeping bacon grease jars and only getting like a little bit. So this is awesome, and I am so excited. Oh boy. Okay, they sent me 2 containers. And I seen somewhere that they're selling these at Walmart. My Walmart doesn't have it yet, but I am excited. Here's what it looks like. Okay, it says bacon up, bacon grease, rendered bacon fat. Next level flavor, fry, cook, or bake. So, cooking enthusiasts from down-home cooks to distinguished chefs have long used bacon grease to enhance their best recipes. Now, with Bacon Up, it's easy to start with a scoop of bacon grease without the time, mess, or expenses of frying bacon every day. You can use it and replace a butter, shortening, or any cooking oil for a richer, more complex flavor. And you can order this stuff off their website too. Let's see. Well, it looks like bacon grease. Let's smell it. I am so excited. Like, I am freaking excited. Oh yeah, it's real greasy. I have to use my knife. Oh, that smells like bacon. It really smells really good. Looks like bacon grease. That's what it is. Now, I'm going to go get ready. And then I'm going to come back when I look a little better. And I'm going to whip me up a batch of cornbread. Okay, guys. I look a little more presentable now. Okay. Now to make our cornbread. You want to preheat your oven to 450 and take you about an 8-inch cast iron skillet. This one is about 9.5 inches, but it'll do. It'll just be a thinner cornbread. And just get me a spoon, and we're going to put a big glob of bacon grease in there. I'll put a little bit more. And this helps it get crunchy and helps it not to stick to the bottom. I'm literally slinging this stuff everywhere. Okay. So, I put a pretty decent sized glob in there. We're going to put it in our oven. Let it preheat while we make the cornbread. Okay. I try to get everything measured out here, but we're going to take cup of buttermilk. Put it in your bowl. Buttermilk is so thick. And we're going to take 3/4 cup self-rising cornmeal mix. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. going to add our egg. And then we're going to do, let's see here. I've written my recipe down if you're wondering why I'm talking slow. My phone did something. Oh, goodness. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to add our sugar, which is 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. So we'll get our bacon up. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of grease. And this is the best cornbread. I promise you, it's the best cornbread. Baby's thick. I might have to get my, oh shoot, my baby spatula out. Well, sucker's little. There's our 1. Let's do our 2. It's a little over, but it's okay. I like good bacon grease. This smells really good. Okay. That's good enough. I just need to stop being a perfectionist now. Okay. And then we're going to do, let's see here, vegetable oil. We are going to do 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. Let me get my whisk. Oh, Lord. I literally have so many of the utensils that are overflowing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Whisk it all together. Oh yeah, baby's gonna be good. This is the best cornbread ever. Don't forget this recipe because it's the best ever. There we go. I think we got her. She should look like this. Be kind of loosey-goosey, but not too loosey-goosey. Alright. Now let's go check on our skillet. Check on our skillet. Oh, I'm so nervous about pulling stuff out of the oven. Am I the only one? Oh yeah. Oh, you all, this smells freaking amazing. It smells like I just made bacon. It smells good. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal just so my cornbread don't stick. Just dust it. A little light dusting here. And then put our cornmeal in here. Get in there, bad boy. I am so excited to try this. I'm just really hyping this up because I literally feel like I invented this. Even though I didn't, but I thought of it like, really. Anyways, yeah, I had thought of this idea. Because I cook with bacon grease so much. I mean, you want some gravy? You want some gravy and biscuits? You better have your bacon grease. You want you some good cornbread? Better have you some bacon grease. You want you some good green beans? Better have you some bacon grease. So yes, I'm excited that they made something. And I'm really hoping, really hoping that it tastes good. I think it will, but we'll see. Oh, yeah, we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to leave it in there for about 10-15 minutes. Or until it's golden brown or however you like it, you might like it a little darker, a little lighter. Hopefully not too light, because then it might be a little doughy in the middle. But anyways, see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, here she is, hot out of the oven. Okay guys, it's time for the taste test. I flipped her upside down to let her cool, so let me get me a knife. Let me get a piece out here. Might as well cut the whole thing, right? She's crispy on the bottom. Alright. She smells good and looks pretty, but does she taste good? Is this as good as bacon grease that you get when you fry bacon? Is this a good substitute or what? And which piece do I want? You know what? I didn't even cut that one very good. I'm going to cut one of these bigger pieces into a small little sliver. I can pull it out. You guys do not make fun of my technique. I got my butter. Let's try it. You guys, I'm not kidding. I kid you not. This is freaking delicious. This is good. Y'all, I highly recommend baking it. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it. Again, I am not paid to say this. This is good.